Tursus has a plan to make Goa net zero over 2024. We solarize, hybridize. But wait, we need your help. Join the revolution. Give a missed call on 828693 8286.
Not important if we are favorites or not. Tomorrow is 90 or 120 or 120 and penalties. But I feel that if we play in a good way, with our style, I think that we will win the game. But obviously Owen Cole will say the same to Chennai, and today Ivan and Sergio will say the same for every team, for their teams. Then again, doesn't count too much the former scores, because even the last team in ISL can be the top team. And it's only one game. It's true that to play in Fatorda is a good advantage for us, and we will try to win, obviously.